Hi, I've just got one of these new LED backlight units for the VTR with the integrated indicators. Now, as you can see, I've took off the old one and just wired up the new backlight onto the VTR. Now, anyone that's bought one of these might have looked at it and thought, how the hell do I fit one of these things? Because the wiring on these are totally different. Now, if you look carefully here, now on this, your normal bulb connector, you drop that out, well, take your bulb out, and on one side you've got a little yellow connector. Just plug straight in, that's not a problem. Now on the other side of the light unit, it has two wires coming out, a blue and a yellow. Now these are to go to your indicators. The yellow wires onto your blue wire for your indicators, as you can see there. Your other one, your blue, goes straight on to the orange. Don't know whether you can see that from there, but yeah, plug straight onto there. You can leave your old indicators on because they will work in conjunction with them, as I will show you now. I'll just switch my ignition on. Lights, normal side lights, as you can see, powers up nicely. Press the brake pedal, works perfect. Indicators, left hand, works fine in conjunction with your normal indicators. Knock it off, right, in conjunction with your right. Spot on. Full beam with your indicators, as I say. Still, you've got your lights and everything. Turn that off, you've still got your backlight and everything working there. Lights off, indicators working perfect. And that's how you wire one up. If you're happy with that description, and or you need any further help, please get in contact. And that's that. There you go. Thanks for looking, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.